Welcome to the Demon Princess Show.
Oh, hello. How you doing this fine evening?
Oh, I'm doing okay. Well, as good as a multi-plane being can be, I suppose. So what do you have to munch on tonight?
Well, I think I got something special for you. So let me get your glass. There you go. And here's your plate.
Oh, this is yummy.
Yeah, I know. So, the centerpiece is called chicken Dubai.
Ooh, very fancy. Tell me about it.
Alright. So, the first layer is broccoli with shredded chicken on top, and then cream of chicken evenly spread on top of that, and then shredded cheese on top of that. Then we have our baked potato with shredded cheese and sour cream, and some sweet and tart cranberry sauce.
Wow, that looks yum. I cannot wait.
Well, enjoy.